Hi, I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers. We're on a new listing of mine today. It's a 2021 Galeon 500 Fly. It's a boat that's well equipped. It's powered with twin Volvo Penta D11 670 horsepower engines. It's got an impressive cruise 25 knots and a top speed of 30 knots. The boat goes amazingly well through the water, handles seas impressively. Galeon as a company is a pretty unique company, and the fact that they're still family owned. They're built in Poland. Father and son run the business, and they've been building boats for almost 40 years. They do a majority of their componentry is built in the factory. They call it vertical integration, helps with the quality of the boat, also keeps some of the costs down. But I'll walk you through and show you the unique features that I think would be important to anybody considering owning a boat like this. Let's take a walk. Equipped with a hydraulic swim platform, it has a capacity of 1,300 pounds, so plenty of lifting capacity for a large tender. Also, inside here is a tender garage, and it's designed specifically for a Williams mini jet. So you could essentially have a jet ski or a rib and a Williams, so two tenders. We have a grill here. There's also another grill that I'll show you here in a little bit up on the bridge. This seating area will actually swivel. They call it a carousel seat, but it'll swivel aft so you can face the dock or the water. So a nice feature there as well. The table here will drop down and convert this into a nice sun space or a lounge. I think it's important to point out that walking from the aft deck into the salon, there's no step. You have pocketing doors and just great access to the galley or to the living space. I'd mentioned that there was two grills on the boat. The second grill is here. And then moving on to the helm station, we have a Raymarine Axiom 12-inch display, Volvo display as well, Raymarine autopilot. We have a yacht controller that would be activated here. A nice handy feature, especially if you're light on crew. You also have bow and stern thruster controls as well. The galley is well appointed. We have a 4-burner induction cooktop. We have a convection oven. We have a refrigerator here and another refrigerator on the island here, as well as great cabinet storage throughout. Salon is well laid out, so we have a U-shaped seat. Again, this table will drop down. It's got pneumatic rams to make it easy to put down or to bring back up, and then there's a pad that will go across the top. Opposing the U-shaped seating here is a TV that would lift electrically over on the starboard side here. Also uniquely, you have ottomans that'll pull out. There's storage underneath the cushions as well. And then the helm seat will swivel to make a sofa. So really a great conversation place, a really nice place to hang out and entertain. Okay, at the helm we have two Axiom 12-inch displays. The boat is equipped with an engine room camera and an aft-facing camera as well. This boat has a Magnum open array Raymarine radar, so good radar. We have a Seakeeper. We have bow and stern thruster. Also is a yacht controller included, so it's nice to be able to have the remote yacht controller for docking. We got our Volvo Penta display here for engine data, autopilot, and then spotlight control over here on the starboard. Worth pointing out, we have windows that electrically will go down port and starboard, so nice to be able to communicate with somebody on the dock, but like on a beautiful day like we're having today, great flow through the boat. Standing in the master, this boat has a full beam master stateroom, well appointed queen size bed. You've got a combo washer and dryer, full length hanging locker, great storage cabinetry for your clothes, nice whole windows here so you don't really feel like you're down in the boat. You have great visibility and great natural lighting down below. I think the vanity space here is nice. It could be considered a nav station or a workstation, but you have a vanity with storage. You have an outlet so you can plug in your laptop, but just a nice area to have in the master stateroom. I'll walk you up to the head. So you have a nice size head. Again, generally speaking, you're not going to find one this large in a 50-foot boat, but very functional, nice size shower. This is the guest bunk stateroom. Nice and comfortable, works well for storage, but comfortable for two individuals to sleep. You also have a full length hanging locker in here as well. And then moving forward to the VIP, could easily be considered a master in a lot of boats. Very good size VIP stateroom, again with hanging locker. You have access to the head through the stateroom, or you could access it through the companionway here. I was saying earlier in the video that the 50 is unique in that it has so many unique spaces, but up in the bow we have another great space for entertaining or just relaxing. So you have raised seating here on the port and starboard side, aft bench or a bench towards the windshield with a flip up backrest. Just a nice place to hang out if you feel like it.